Welcome to the day in my life as a mom of four. So this is me cutting my onion now. I'm putting my oil. So this is my soup. I'm trying to make mix red oil with groundnut oil. So now I'm cutting my onion. After cutting my onion, I went back to see the tomato. Madam, my girl, pounding. After I finished shaking the tomato, so now is my supervisor is supervising the tomato that the elder sister pound. So after supervising, so now I'm putting my onion and my tomato. After putting the tomato, now putting my tomato and my tomato. You know, my mama told me if you are frying, you still not do check and not cook. So now I'm turning it. After turning it, I carry my boy and finish breastfeeding him. After breastfeeding him, I give him his pap as usual, crying and crying and crying. I never see person where they chop, they cry. You food where they enter his own stomach, but he still they cry. Now what? So this is my girl sweeping the place after sweeping the room. So this is her arranging the room after sweeping. She went outside again to arrange the place and sweep the passage. See this girl, she can work for Africa. So this is her sweeping. Do you think that this girl is doing this I'm doing now? Is it a child abuse for her to be helping the mother and be doing the work? No, I don't think so. Some people will go to the comment section and start telling me that mother, what they are doing is a child abuse, and they say teach them young, and this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm teaching her young, of course. So this is just sweeping. What do you think about this? Yeah. So if you are coming across our channel or pray for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and follow our page for more videos. Please subscribe. See you.